now that our skin is all prepped and ready to intake, we're going to be doing a mask at home treatment. It is called Masque PIGM 400 from the Belgique Recherche product line. So this is going to be very brightening. It helps with pigmentation. So now we just place it on. And I love this one just because it really adheres right to the skin. So now, when you're at home, you can go watch a show. You could even, do some chores around the house because it just stays in place, which is the most beautiful part. Many other ones kind of flop around, but this one is going to be on for 20 minutes. So right after you cleanse and use your toner, your lotion P50, now you can just place this mask right on and you're ready to go.